Hey everyone, it's Justin with Dalinghaus Construction here with today's tip of the day. We've been getting a lot of questions about how to spot foundation problems early before they turn into big, expensive issues. So today, I want to break down some of the signs that you should be watching for around your home. Let's start with doors and windows. If you notice that your doors or windows are suddenly harder to open or close than usual, it could be a sign that your foundation is shifting. This is because when a foundation moves, it can cause the frame to shift too. If you're noticing this, don't ignore it. Next up, foundation cracks. Small hairline cracks are normal over time, but if they're getting wider or you see diagonal cracks running up from the corners of windows or doors, it's time to get it checked out. These could be signs that the foundation is settling or shifting. Uneven floors are another key indicator. If you've been noticing that your floors feel uneven or you're seeing gaps between the floor and the baseboards, it's a good idea to take a closer look at your foundation. This can be caused by the foundation settling or soil movement underneath. Another big red flag is gaps between your porch and the house. If you've been seeing a noticeable gap here, it could be a sign that your foundation is settling, pulling the porch away. This is something that often gets overlooked, but it can lead to bigger issues down the road. So, what should you do if you spot any of these signs? First off, don't panic.
Oh no.
While these can be a sign of a foundation issue, they don't always mean you need major repairs right away, but it's always best to get a professional opinion. At Dalinghaus Construction, we offer free inspections and can help you determine what's going on and what needs to be done. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to foundation problems. If you think something's off, give us a call at Dalinghaus Construction. We'll come out, inspect the situation, and give you clear answers. And that's your foundation repair tip of the day. Stay safe and keep an eye on your home. Call Dalinghaus Construction today for your free inspection. Visit dalinghausconstruction.com for more tips and to schedule your appointment.